Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dew Dikuna, and I'd like to welcome all of you to a very historic location right here. The reason is because it's also a historic occasion in the movement towards. I want to congratulate you and compliment you on taking up such an important cause of actually bringing gender equality right into Indian houses. When we say charity begins at home, I think equality also needs to begin at home. And Sharath, maybe you can tell us about this entire journey of yours, okay, with Ariel and how you came about with this movement of Share the Load.
I think it all started sometime towards the end of last year when we got the results of an AC Nielsen survey, which is a national survey conducted across 5 cities, which showed up some startling figures. Over 75% of Indian women felt that there was an unequal distribution of household chores at home. An equal number felt that they would like their partner or their husband to help more with household chores, such as laundry. We went and then spoke to men, and then what we realized was about 74% of men, however, felt that laundry was solely a woman's job. And I think that was the genesis of the movement. We felt that this inequality could easily be addressed with education and awareness, and that's what we've been doing with products like Ariel Matic, which is the #1 recommended brand globally by washing machine manufacturers, and intuitive, easy to use, high performance machines like the ones that Whirlpool makes. Anybody can get if it, outstanding laundry results, whether it's a man or a woman. We're very happy that the movement has grown from strength to strength. Lakhs of Indian men actually have come forward and pledged their support to the movement and have pledged to help with the laundry. And we're sure that this is not really the end, but just the beginning. We feel that this is going to go on and grow from here. We at Ariel are totally committed. We truly believe that equality is foundational to a happy household. And with the launch of our His and Her pack, which is instructions on how you can do laundry and get great laundry results, which is designed and targeted for people who want to start doing laundry, we feel that this is going to really.
School has always striven to create happy moments in everyday home life of a woman, and and we also believe that equality is important, foundational to creating a happy home. So when we were approached by Ariel and P&G, it seemed a natural fit that a company which is 100+ year old company like P&G and a 100+ year old company like Whirlpool, both of whom stand for high performance as well as for delivering for stand for equal relationship in home, partner to create this. We also see as makers of washing machines, we see a lot of couples come to the shop floor, and the men usually have a perception that these are not so easy to use.
True.
But the washing machines we make are designed for high performance while being very easy and intuitive. Using these washing machines, with a high performance detergent like Ariel, makes laundry as easy as 1 to 3. So we are proud to commit to this movement, and we see that the movement has taken a very strong shape, and the number of people who have pledged their commitment to equality, makes us very happy, and we are happy to commit to this Share the Load movement at Whirlpool.
Fantastic. In fact, this also seems like a and Mandira Bedi. Welcome, Mandira. Welcome, Imran. Absolute pleasure having you here. And I've already called you friends of the movement. Okay, people who really believe that equality shouldn't only be something that we speak about outside, but even within houses. And Mandira, let me start with you, Imran. I hope you don't mind me starting
Ladies
with the
first,
lady.
always.
Of course. Yeah, but Mandira, you truly have been a friend of the movement. Okay, you in fact have been associated with the movement right from the beginning, the inception. You've been a part of a lot of the programs where we've gone around asking men to share the load. What made you feel so strongly about equality in Indian households?
Well, equality at home comes from equality in sharing with, sharing in chores. And, you would know this, and I know this as
Yes.
well, that there's been a survey that happened before the movement started. a large percentage of men believed that happier households came about from people who shared the responsibility, couples who shared the responsibility. So for equality at home, it should start with equality, equality as far as chores are concerned at home. And of course, I, as a woman and as a married woman, would feel very strongly about this cause, and I feel very happy to be associated with the cause, and it's amazing that Ariel has championed this cause for women, because there's so many breadwinners now who are women who are breadwinners as well, and if they can bring home the income, then I think husbands can share the load equally as far as household chores are concerned.
I think I completely agree with you. In fact, my wife would agree with you more than I do. Yeah, but Imran, let's get a man's perspective on this. Okay, equality within the Indian household. Do you think it's really lacking, and how much of a need is there to bring that? Laundry is just the beginning, right?
Of course, it is absolutely lacking. I don't think there's any way that you can dispute that. The fact is that any kind of change that we want to bring about, it has to come from within. It has to, you have to show by example. You have to start making changes in your own home before you can tell other people to make changes in their home.
I think that's very true. And I keep saying this, for me, if we keep saying charity begins at home, equality has to begin at home
All
as well.
change begins from within here. You have to start by changing things first yourself. Other people will follow.
And what would be your message to the Indian men? How can they contribute? Or rather, if you could give us an example of how you contribute in sharing the load, not just with laundry, but otherwise with household chores.
I think the important thing is to understand and is to accept that a marriage, any kind of a relationship between a man and a woman, ultimately it has to be a partnership of equals. You want someone who has your back, somebody who is there for you, and you are there for them. Until and unless you can support your partner equally, you cannot expect equal support from them.
I think that's most perfectly put in this scenario as well, because we've got two great partners, Ariel and Whirlpool, partnering on this movement. Yeah.
And when two great partners like this come together, actually washing clothes is like, ABC. It's super
ABC.
easy.
Or rather, like they
Looking
say,
at
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Yeah.
It's super. I mean, it's great technology coming together to make things super easy for the man or the woman, whichever the case may be, who's washing the clothes.
Fantastic. In fact, over the last few weeks and months, we've had lakhs of men actually commit, okay, and pledge that they will share the load with their wives.
I have to very quickly share this. I was a part of the launch of this,
Yes.
this movement. And post that, my husband came on board, and he has helped with the laundry a few times. And so, like we say, it all begins at home. So my husband, not only did he pledge, but he also walked the talk.
Fantastic.
There
So
you go.
kudos to Raj. Yeah, fantastic. Great. Good. So like I was saying, lakhs of men have done that, including Raj. Yeah. But today we have actually 30 couples right here where the men are pledging live that they will share the load. And I think that's a wonderful, way to show how much this movement has actually grown.
They're pledging. They're gonna pledge, and then they're gonna
They're going to
And then
walk
they're going
the
to live
talk
up
as
to
well.
it.
Yes, they're going to live up to it, because washing is going to be really easy as 1, 2, 3 with Ariel and Whirlpool. Great. So let's get our 30 couples to join us right here on this stage where they take the pledge and, of course, like Mandira said, walk the talk. Here they are. Yeah. Great. So our 30 couples, they are out here ready with their laundry baskets, with their Arielmatic recommended laundry detergent for the Whirlpool washing machines. And we've got these fantastic washing machines all ready and lined up. Now, yeah. Good. So I think we are ready to start with the washing, but before that, we're going to make this a little interesting. The women are going to blindfold the men before they take on the washing. Isn't that exciting?
I like the sound of that
Yeah,
already.
you already like that.
It's not going where you're thinking. it is.
No. This blindfold, okay, is also to show us something very special about the technology that's come about in the space of actually washing, thanks to Ariel and Whirlpool. And maybe we'd have a comment on that. You think it's going to be really easy to wash blindfolded?
Yes, absolutely. I think what will happen is it will be a show of commitment for them to first see and then get blindfolded and use it.
Fantastic.
First see and then get blindfolded and use
And
it.
then use it. But while we're taking away one sense, which is the visual sense, it helps when you have the Whirlpool washing machine because it's got sixth sense technology.
Yeah. What makes them so easy to use is that they have sixth sense technology, and this will be a proof that even after one sense being taken away, the sixth sense technology makes it easy still to use a washing machine.
Fantastic. So, couples, are you ready? Yes? Ladies, you can blindfold your men right now. And then it's up to the magic of Ariel and Whirlpool to show us how easy laundry can be and how much fun sharing the load can be. Yes? And I'm going to ask Imran to join me right here to egg these couples on. Yeah? If you could join us right here. Sharat, you can join Mandira right here and move on to that side and we can egg all these couples on. Are you ready? Yes? All set? Bhaijan, ready? Oh?
Yes.
Good. So, here we go. This is 30 couples right here live, pledging that they will share the load in a movement which takes pride in bringing about gender equality in our Indian households. Here we go.
You know what's also amazing around here is it's quality time spent together.
Of course.
Husbands and wives getting to spend time together.
In an
And-
age and day of today, that's so very important.
Yes, and you think about it as a chore, but I think it's good time spent together. And even better with a blindfold.
Blindfolded. Who knew you could do blindfolded washing? Ever.
Called the blind wash.
Blind wash. Come on, let's. Washing machine शुरू कर दिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Vijay, in fact, very interesting. Some of the washing machines have already started. Okay, can we cut the music? Can we cut the music? Yeah, some of the washing machines have already started, but you can't really hear them. Why?
Well, the washing machine is designed, to operate at as low noise as possible.
So this
So
is
it's
absolutely
not a
low
wonder.
noise.
So Whirlpool washing machines, will not make as much noise as will, get it heard over this din.
Fantastic. So the couples, while they're washing, can whisper sweet nothings as well.
Yeah, with a blindfold.
With a
that's
blindfold,
probably-
that's what it calls for. Great. Good. Fantastic. So,
Actually, you have to touch it to know that it's on. It is really very silent. It's a very soothing, silent whir.
fantastic. Yeah, I think we at least can applaud for our 30 couples who've taken this pledge. So let's give them a little bit of a round of applause. Fantastic. Couples, you can clap for yourselves also. Yeah, come on. Yeah.
And an extra big round of applause for the blindfolded men
Who
are
refuse to
doing-
take the blindfold off for some
refusing
reason.
to take the blindfold off, who are doing this in great spirit. I think it's amazing.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Fantastic. So 30 couples, or rather 30 men pledging to share the load. Lakhs across the country have already done that. And right now, we would like to share that number with you, okay, as to how many men have actually committed and pledged to share the load as a part of this movement by Ariel and Whirlpool. So we've got the number ready over there. I'm going to ask you all to join us right on top. Yes, Imran? Mandira? Here we go. 1.3 million men have pledged to share the load. That should make a lot of ladies very happy. You think so, Mandira?
It makes ladies very happy, but it's making me very happy, especially since I was a part of the launch of this movement a couple of months ago, and it's amazing to see a number like 1.3 million men coming forward, wanting equality in the home and wanting a happier home environment.
Yeah, I share with your joy, because any kind of contribution towards equality and gender equality, which is so much a need of the hour, I think makes you feel very proud. Imran, your thoughts right now. 1.3 million men.
I'm going to say thanks to all the guys out there, man. You're making all of us look good.
That's true. Yeah. Great.
But it's not enough. We need more.
We need more. We need more.
It's got to be 1.4, 1.5. Come on,
It
guys.
can keep going up, and the way you can do that is you can pledge to this movement. How can we pledge, Sharat?
Well, there's a missed call number. You can go online and pledge, or you can just do the laundry.
Or you can just do the laundry. That's a pledge good enough. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ariel, along with Whirlpool, embarked on this journey a few months ago, rather. And today we are here with this huge commitment of 1.3 million men, 30 out here right now, who've pledged to share the load and bring equality within Indian homes.
30 plus 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4, and 1.3 includes Raj. Of course it does. Great. Imran, thank you so much for being here and helping us promote this cause of gender equality within Indian houses. Mandira, you've always been lovely, joining us every time we've needed to drive a message across to the Indian households. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Vijay. Thanks a lot, Sharath. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have you've been wonderful taking time to be here in this heat. Really, really nice of you. Photographers, this would be a moment to take some photographs. Great. Great, thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The group bites will happen backstage right now, so we'd like to request our friends from the media to join us backstage. It's been a hot afternoon. Refreshments are lined up over there. You can help yourself to.
का मौसम बड़ा अच्छा है ना हेलो गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन क्या बोला गिरेगा देखा किसका गया जी नहीं वो यहाँ पर नहीं आ पाई नहीं कोई खास वजह नहीं देखिए आज हम जो इस मैसेज रेडी चलिए जी आज हम जिस मैसेज को प्रमोट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जिसे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं वो है शेयर द लोड दैट इज़ इक्वालिटी विद इन द हाउस मेरा ये मानना है और एंड आई फील कि एवरीबडी शुड एग्री विद मी ऑन दिस कि एक रिलेशनशिप एक शादी बिटवीन अ मैन एंड वुमन एक पार्टनरशिप है इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट दैट बोथ पीपल आर इक्वल दैट इज़ द मैसेज वी आर ट्राइंग टू सपोर्ट टुडे
But Imran, how do you help Avantika in her day-to-day activity?
In our day-to-day activities, Avantika and I have been very, very particular about division of labor. In terms of all of the house chores, simple things like keeping our room clean, keeping our home clean, cleaning up our plates after we eat our food. All of us have made it very clear that there are certain things that you do, certain things that I do, and these are our responsibilities, which we do not back away from.
लेकिन कभी आप बिजी होते हो शूट में तो क्या वो आपका काम कर देती कंप्लीट या
नहीं उसके लिए मेरा पर्सनल स्पॉट बॉय रहता है मतलब अवंतिका मेरी पर्सनल स्पॉट बॉय नहीं है वो मेरी बीवी है जी आजकल मैं खुद के कपड़े धोता नहीं हूँ मेरे घर में काम करने वाले लोग हैं So that fortunately is one duty which has been taken away from me. लेकिन जब अवंतिका और मैं साथ में रहते थे, we were students when we were studying in the US. At that point, all the laundry had to be done by us. तो हमारा एक agreement था कि एक हफ्ता मैं करूँगा, अगले हफ्ते वो करेगी. ये 10 साल पहले की बात है. पिछले 10 साल से हमने नहीं किया है. कट्टी बट्टी की शूटिंग ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो चुकी है. बस 4-5 दिन बाकी हैं जो इस महीने में ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. फिल्म इज़ ऑन ट्रैक. September 18th को रिलीज़ होने वाली है. Hopefully within the next 3 to 4 weeks our trailer should release. देखिए, कंगना के साथ मैं काम कर चुका हूँ तो मैं फर्स्ट हैंड कह सकता हूँ कि वो गजब की एक्ट्रेस है. वो अपने कैरेक्टर पे, अपने परफॉर्मेंस पर इतना ध्यान देती है, इतनी मेहनत करती है दैट इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल नॉट टू रिस्पेक्ट हर. My opinion of her has gone from here to here in the process of working with her. मेरा ये मानना है कि जब आप टैलेंटेड लोगों के साथ, अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करें, आपका काम और अच्छा होता है. दैट इज़ द ओनली वे टू इम्प्रूव. यू हैव टू वर्क विद पीपल हु आर वेरी वेरी टैलेंटेड, हु आर वेरी गुड एट व्हाट दे डू. फिर आप में वो जोश पैदा होता है कि आई ऑल्सो हैव टू डू गुड, आई मस्ट बी बेटर. जी. See, from the beginning of this, I have to say कि Salman bhai, Sohail bhai, Arbaz bhai, they have been like family to me. Salim Saab was a very very dear friend of my Nana's. So our family relationship goes back more than 50 years. And my response has always been a very personal, a very emotional one, because they are like an extended part of my family. So my thoughts have always been with them.
Okay, last question. Can I ask you something? I just need to record that. Okay, so I'm going to deviate. I'm from iCarmen.com.
You're from what?
iCarmen.com. It's a media publishing. My name is Anushka.
Hi, Anushka.
And I'm just going to deviate from this entire topic and talk about Mother's Day.
I always love when people deviate. It's one of my
I'm
favorite
going to
things.
talk about Mother's Day. So, do you have any plans for your mother and your mother-in-law?
No.
Okay, and okay, why do you think a mother is divine?
My mother's the one who's given you life. There's not really a good answer to that question, is there?
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Thank you all. Going that way?
Imran, Mother's Day wishes.
कार्ड बेचने के लिए इन्वेंट किया मदर्स डे. एवरी डे मदर्स डे.